Pop-up campers can get really hot in the summertime, especially if you're in direct sunlight. So one of the ways I found to keep the temperature down quite a bit is adding these Mylar sheets to the top of the pullouts. You can just buy the Mylar sheets. It's like a space blanket, and what you do is just take some clips and clip it down around the top of your camper. You can take a couple of pieces of pool noodle and put under the Mylar sheet, and it'll sort of give a little separated area for airflow to breathe through between that and the pull out, and it'll make a world of difference in how hot your camper gets. With this setup, it can drop the temperature as much as 10 degrees when you're in direct sunlight, which is a world of difference if you've got a little small air conditioner that just can't keep up with a hot summer sun. That can make a difference between being able to sleep in the afternoon if you need to take a nap, or just chill out and not be sweating the whole time you're in there. So it's worth giving it a try. I'll put the links below to the products I use. So thanks for watching.